In this Puzzle Profits review, I'm going to be showing you a software that's going to allow you to create puzzles so that you can sell them on Amazon and potentially make money with this. I'm going to be showing you what this is and, of course, what this isn't. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades, how you can get a discount on every single one of them, and a discount on the offer you see on the sales page. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a seven-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Puzzle Profits, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses here. If you decide to purchase this through my link, all these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says one-click app helps us make passive income online by publishing puzzle books on Amazon KPD. 3 simple steps process proven to work for newbies. So essentially what this allows you to do is to create puzzle books and publish them on Amazon and potentially make money from this. Now, the sales page is obviously going to be hypey. That's how these sales pages are. But they do have proof that they've made money on Amazon KDP. You can see that they've made $5,000 here. Another one here, 3,000. You can see here from July to 1st to 31st, they made 4,500 here. So potentially they've made money here. Again, just because they've made money doesn't mean you're going to make money with it, right? We all know that here. So it says here, create, step 1, you can create your puzzle book in any niche or category. Step 2, normally the biggest problem is selling them. But it says with this, you can create hundreds of top selling puzzle books in minutes. Then you download your puzzle and you can upload it to Amazon KDP. Now, these are the kind of puzzle books that you can do here and just sell them. Like, people actually do make money selling puzzle books. Like, if you look on Amazon, this is a business where people are making money with them. So essentially they are tapping in on that. Now, these screenshots I get a little bit skeptical of. Like, these look like they don't look like real people. Richard W. and Joy R. These look a little bit suspect. So just be aware. Just like, don't purchase this based upon the screenshots. Purchase it based upon the fact that you want a software that's going to allow you to create puzzles for Amazon. So we've got extra things here. Blah blah blah. Let's go through all this. Get a bunch of bonuses here. And if you purchase, you get access to the customize your title description for unique top selling puzzles, quick edit dashboard, training, etc. All this stuff included. Now, one thing I'm going to show you here, and it popped up, but I removed it. I'm going to show you again. If you move your mouse away, you can get a $2 discount, bring that price down to $15. So I make less as an affiliate by showing this to you, but I always want to make sure you guys get the lowest prices. Please give me a like if you like the fact that I do that and want me to keep doing it in the future. Okay, I'm going to show you a quick video explaining this a little bit more, then I'll take you and show you the OTOs. Okay, so this is the first upgrade. It says you get the limitless upgrades. You remove any limitations on it. If you move your mouse away, you can get a $5 discount and bring that price down to 27. Next one here is the Done For You add-on. So they're gonna have a Done For You edition. They'll do it for you, it looks like. If you move your mouse away on this one, you can get a $100 discount. So this one's normally $197. You can bring the price down to 97. Next one here is agency. So you can sell agency licenses with this. You can put the price down to 32 if you move your mouse away. Again, I make less by showing you these discounts. So please hit that like button. Next one here says steal our 500 plus apps here. So you get a bunch of them for cheap. You can bring the price down to 37. And then the last one is reseller rights. So you can resell this, keep all the money. You can bring the price down 20 bucks to 77 if you move your mouse away. All these OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. So what do I like about Puzzle Profits and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, like I do with a lot of these sales pages, like this income proof and stuff, I don't believe some of it. I don't believe the testimonials. So just be aware if you're going to purchase it based upon what it does and not on the income claims. What do I like about this? If you're looking for a way of creating puzzles on Amazon and you want software that does it, then this could be something that can help you out. This is a business model that people are making money with. Is it going to make you a millionaire? Probably not, but it could add some extra money into your bank account. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at Puzzle Profits, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.